Hello everyone, I'm Miss Mavi, and for our topic for today is solving logarithmic equations and inequalities. For our objective, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to solve logarithmic equations and inequalities. Let's start in solving logarithmic equations. The secret to solve log equations is to rewrite the log equations in exponential form and then solve. Example, log of 2x plus 1 to the base of 2 is equal 3. Convert this exponential form. Convert this to exponential form. So from log form to exponential form. So it becomes 2 raised to 3 equals 2x plus 1. So remember, in converting from log to exponential, copy the base 2, then the answer of the logarithmic form is the exponent of the exponential form equals the argument of the logarithm, 2x plus 1. Then after that, solve for x. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Then copy 2x plus 1. Then let's transpose 1 to the other side. So it becomes 7 equals 2x. Then divide both sides by 2. So our answer is 7 over 2. Class, don't forget to check your answer. Just substitute the value of x to the given logarithmic form. So we have log of 2 times the value of x, which is 7 over 2, plus 1 to the base of 2 equals 3. Then let's evaluate. 2 times 7 halves plus 1 is 8. So we have log of 8 to the base 2 equals 3. So this is true since if we convert it to exponential, it becomes 2 raised to 3 equals 8. 2 raised to 3 is 8 and 8 equals 8. So therefore, our answer, class, is correct. The value of x is 7 over 2. Let's have another example. Log of 2x plus 3 to the base 5 equals 3. So first, let's convert this to exponential form. It becomes 5 raised to 3 equals 2x plus 3. Then let's evaluate. 5 cubed is 125 equals 2x plus 3. Then let's transpose 3 to the other side. It becomes 125 minus 3 equals 2x. 125 minus 3 is 122 equals 2x. Then divide both sides by 2. So our answer is 61. Then check our answer. Just substitute 61 to x. Log of 2 times the value of x, which is 61, plus 3. To the base 5 equals 3. 2 times 61 plus 3 is 125. So log of 125 to the base 5 equals 3. So this is true since 5 raised to 3 equals 125. Let's have another example. Log of 2x minus 1 to the base 4 plus 3 equals 5. So first, let's transpose 3 to the other side. It becomes log of 2x minus 4 to the base 4 equals 5 minus 3. Then, it becomes log of 2x minus 1 to the base 4 equals 5 minus 3 is 2. Then let's convert this to exponential form. So we have 4 raised to 2 equals 2x minus 1. So copy 4. 4 will be the base, 2 will be the exponent, equals to the argument of the logarithm, which is 2x minus 1. Then evaluate. 4 squared is 16 equals, copy 2x minus 1. Then transpose negative 1 to the other side. So it becomes 16 plus 1, 17. 17 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, our x is 17 over 2. Then check our answer. Just substitute 17 over 2 to x. So we have log of 2 times 17 over 2 minus 1 to the base 4 equals 2. 2 times 17 over 2 is 17. 17 minus 1, 16. So log of 16 to the base 4 equals 2. So this is true since 4 squared equals 16. So this is how to solve logarithmic equations. So to easily solve this logarithmic equations, just rewrite it to exponential form, then solve. So it's your turn. Kindly solve it in your notebook or in any piece of paper. Try number 1. Just follow the steps. Then try also number 2. So for number 1, the answer is x equals 2. I hope na nakuha nyo yung answer. And for number 2 class, the answer is 29. X equals 29. Now, let's proceed in solving logarithmic inequalities. Logarithmic inequalities can often be solved just by using the fact that, first, log of x to the base b is greater than y is same as x greater than b raised to y. So we just convert it to exponential from log form to exponential form. So they mean the same thing. Or log of x to the base b is less than y is the same as x less than b raised to y. So just copy class the given inequality sign. Pag less than, so less than din dapat. Pag greater than, dapat greater than din dapat. Another, if log of c to the base b is greater than log of d to the base b, then c is greater than d. So pag may log sa left and sa right, both sides may log, then automatic, just copy the argument of the logarithm. Yung c, then copy the inequality symbol, and yung d. So c greater than d. Take note, it is so important, so remember this one. It is only possible to take the logarithm of a positive number. Again, it is only possible to take the logarithm of a positive number. Yung argument of the logarithm natin, dapat positive. Hindi pwede mag-negative. Plus itong x, hindi pwede mag-negative. Ito, yung C, hindi din pwede mag-negative. Ang D, hindi din pwede mag-negative. If ever na may ma-encounter kayo na negative yung argument of the logarithm class, automatic, dapat yung answer nyo is no solution. So, hindi pwede. Dapat positive yung logarithm. Let's have example number 1. Log of x to the base 3 less than 4. So it becomes x, copy the inequality symbol, less than, then yung base, 3, and yung 4, yung magiging power or magiging exponent. Then evaluate. X is less than 3 raised to 4 is 81. Then class, remember, the argument of the logarithm should be positive or should be greater than 0. So dapat, we need to consider this one. X should be greater than 0. Ma'am, bakit greater than 0? Remember, it is only possible to take the logarithm of a positive number. So you need to express kung ano yung argument of the logarithm na given, i-express nyo dapat siya na dapat greater siya kay 0 para hindi mag-negative yung argument of the logarithm. So after this one class, let's graph for us to easily determine the solution or the solution set of this inequality, logarithmic inequality. So let's plot x less than 81. So wala siyang equal sign, automatic, 81 is not included in the solution. So open circle si 81. 81 is not included. Then less than, ibig sabihin yung mga values ni x are less than 81. So pa-left yung direction. So yan yung graph ng x less than 81. Then let's graph x greater than 0. So 0 is not included. Mga values ni x na greater than 0. So, class, yung solution natin kung saan sila nag-intersect na dalawa. So, from 0 to 81 lang. Therefore, our solution set or our answer is the values of x are between 0 to 81. The values of x are between 0 and 81. 0 less than x less than 81. Remember, hindi included si 0 and si 81. Open circle siya. And walang equal sign. So, hindi sila included. Between 0 and 81 lang. So, we have from 1 to 80 only. Yan lang yung mga pwedeng maging values of x dito. Next, let's have another example. Log of x to the base 4 greater than or equal to 5. So, let's express it in exponential form. So, copy x, copy the inequality symbol, then yung base, then yung 5 as our exponent. Then, evaluate. X greater than or equal to 4 raised to 5 is 1024. Then, remember, the argument of the logarithm must be positive. So, x should be greater than 0. X should be greater than 0. Then, plot. So, we have 0, then 1024. Remember, merong equal sign. Ibig sabihin, si 1024 is included in the solution. Kasali siya sa solution. So, dapat close circle. Greater than. So, pa-right yung direction. Values of x which are greater than 1024. Values of x which are greater than or equal to 1024. Then, 0. Since greater, x should be greater than 0, so pa-right din yung direction. Take note, 0 is not included. So, saan sila nag-intersect na dalawa? From 1024 lang to positive infinity. Dito lang, ito lang. Dito hindi sila nag-intersect, so hindi ito solution. Ito lang yung solution. Our solution set is x greater than or equal to 1024. Remember, 1024 is included in the solution. Kasali siya. Lahat ng values of x which are greater or equal to 1024. So, yung mga included sa solution na 1025, 1026 to positive infinity. Hindi kasali si 1023, si 1022, or si negative 1, si negative 2, and so on. Let's have another example. Ito, log of 2x plus 3 to the base 2 greater than log of x minus 2 to the base 2. So, ito yung ika-third kanina. Pag merong log, both sides, automatic copy the argument of the logarithm. Yung 2x plus 3 and yung x minus 2. Then, copy the inequality symbol. Then, solve for x. So, x is greater than negative 5. Then, remember class, dapat yung argument of the logarithm always greater than 0. So, dapat i-express natin as 2x plus 3 greater than 0. Then, solve for x. Then, si x minus 2 din, class, greater than 0. So, x should be greater than 2. Then, i-plot mo silang tatlo. So 0, negative 5,